Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Fernandoherrera and I am in the road to financial wellness here with you guys today. And this is my Fidelity series where I deposit $1,000 every month and I pretty much expose or share my buys and sells on a daily basis. If you do enjoy these videos, I please invite you to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any sort of content. Now let's go ahead and get started for today, especially being a holiday. So happy Veterans Day to all those, especially thank you to all those who've served this country. It's greatly appreciated. Now, our biggest gainers, Take-Two and DuPont, our biggest loser. Now, pretty much overall, we're starting to see a shift back into the COVID-19 stocks. So I'm actually, as you guys are seeing on the screen, I'm about to buy some more of NLOK, LifeLock, which I will be doing a quick, small analysis in. But today, I'm going to be talking also a little bit about what happened and what's going on in the market. But before I do so, I do want to share some activity that I did yesterday. Yesterday, the market was still up and Dow saw, an increase and the Nasdaq saw a decrease. So I saw a good opportunity to sell some more stocks. So we sold some of Amazon. We sold $20 worth of Amazon. We sold some of Broadcom. We sold Costco for like 15 bucks. We also sold some more Starbucks, and we did buy more of the Walmart stock, kind of transitioning more from that TJX, and we sold more of Waste Management. So keep in mind, guys, that all these sales that we've been doing, they're with profit, so they're to lock in the gains, so that way we can go ahead and repurchase if there is a pullback on these stocks. So it doesn't change our thesis on the long term about these stocks. Now, in regards to NLOK, I did want to make a little bit of more of emphasis about this stock, especially because I'm buying the stock more, and I want to tell you why. Pretty much right now, the way the stock is, this is what's going on, kind of like a little summary so you guys know what's going on with this stock. So there are some good things such as, right now, according to Simple Trader or Simply Wall Street, the stock itself is actually trading 33.7% below the fair value, which means that you're getting it undervalued, which is good. You're buying low with the expectation that's going to go high. They've been somewhat affected by COVID, and it is forecasted that they will grow their business even more. Now they do seem to have some sort of debt that's not well covered due to cash flow constraints and all that. But I already did some little digging, and that's pretty much every business right now because of COVID-19. It's really affected a lot of businesses. Now, Morgan Stanley did set a new price target for NLOK, and that is of $27. The day of doing this video, the stock itself is worth $19.79. So I will definitely be buying some more of this stock, depending on if it continues to go down or if it continues to go up. But overall, I do think it's a good stock that provides a 2.7 dividend yield, which is, something that's not super good, but it's something good. Overall, if you guys actually see, NLOK has not been a very good stock. It's actually been going down for the past 5 years. But I do feel that cybersecurity is important, especially with the whole Twitter scandal that happened, some months ago. NLOK, I think it's going to be a good company to just have some sort of cybersecurity exposure to. So with that being said, guys, I do hope you pretty much understand where I'm coming from and why I'm deciding to invest in Norton LifeLock. So also, I wanted to emphasize or make emphasis on the reason why today the Nasdaq is up and the Dow is down, pretty much. If you guys recall, yesterday I explained how there's a transition of funds from the Nasdaq to the Dow, and that continues to hold true. Since there is a vaccine, or since the vaccine news, obviously the Dow Jones saw a huge upbeat, but that doesn't mean, so I heard a quote from Jim Cramer that was very cool, because he was like, we can see some light on the tunnel or at the end of the tunnel, but that doesn't mean we're out of the tunnel. So we're still within the tunnel. So we're still within this coronavirus tunnel, and we need to make sure that we are still investing wisely, because until we are truly out of this tunnel, then we can start to be more hopeful about these hospitality companies making a profit. Hospitality, travel, you name it, any sort of company that has been heavily impacted by the virus. But right now, guys, again, I would just say hopefully you did have a chance to buy some of the stocks that were in special deal. I do feel that today the Nasdaq's going to continue to go up. Probably tomorrow the Nasdaq's going to continue to go up, especially if COVID-19 cases continue to go up as well. So just keep that in mind, guys. Again, invest wisely. Try to look on what to look for in companies. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them on the comment section below. And I hope you guys have a great Veterans Day holiday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.